wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. We are in Mexico in the city of Pachuca. Bafana Sandukdala 2010. They lost 5-2 against the 2010 legends in Mexico. We're here. We want to thank, number one, the Department of Sport, Noketi Mackenzie, the Minister of Sport. We want to thank Old School. We want to thank Betway as well for funding this whole trip. Thank you so much. And also thank you to you, our subscribers, for telling the department Uguti they need to take us. So thank you so much. It shows Uguti it's a powerful platform. Not Junior, Junior. Let's talk about the trip and how was the trip for you?
Yeah, very humbling.
Sure,
yeah, very, very humbling. As you said, Mr. Kentin
Mackenzie, yes.
Mackenzie, thank you, Department of Sports,
sure.
Betway.
Sure.
People that
old
are
school
supporting.
as well. Old school, man.
Old school.
Yes.
We are
thank
so
you.
humble.
Thank you.
We thank God and our sisters always. People that are supporting Tiski TV because
sure.
We are so humble. We hear the environment. I enjoy it.
Sure.
My brother, me and you, we know where we come from. But we
For
thank
sure.
people that are here. Mexican, they've been good to us.
Yeah.
We thank the technical team. No K-team.
Sure.
I think they take care of us. The
100%.
hotel is okay.
I was about to ask Uguti, so far in Lela, I'm a flight, hotel,
Number one, so professional. Flight, the hotel, food is something else. We need to appreciate. And there's nothing more than this. For me, I'm so happy. That's why we was born official expression, me and you.
Sure.
100%. We are so happy with our team. Thanks to Sponabo Porter, Machaka, everyone.
Everyone is here. About PhD, about Papa Wawa.
Yes,
everyone
Papa
is here. Michael Morton.
Everyone.
Mamelo Maka. Everyone is here. All the content creators are here. We are united as South Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, let's quickly just talk about Ama Legend. Our 2010. It was a tough game because, of course, Amachita, they are family people. How was it? Stadium, so Mexican people, they want Mexico to win. Sasha 5-2. How was the game for you?
This was a rehearsal before they came on Thursday. Honestly speaking, development is very serious. When you check the simplified things, they play like basic football.
Sure.
They don't run much. Decision making in front, one papegana no goalkeeper. If it's tight angle, pass wagiba and then give a conin. I think Tina seasons Lubunzima, this one is into difficult. Sonograna
The condition is a fan foot.
And then into the body.
Keep in mind,
yes, Mama check it body about it. I was surprised. Pakaka. Yes, it's only no somewhere in that I can say the body language still wants.
No,
but
it still looks like he can still play for professional.
But what I love, honestly, about Chita, they came up. Two goals they came up. I think psychologically, and also Mexican made a compliment department, and they understand one another. Decision making something else, and honestly, they pitch us.
For sure. We're not going to stay long because there's a lot of people who want to take photos. We are so famous here. To take photos. So I want to talk about Gabia Thursday. It's going to be very tough for us.
Yeah.
We're here to support our country.
Yeah.
Next round.
Yeah.
We only crowd, the sound, the noise. Thursday is going to be very difficult.
First is 4 years, 3 years now.
Yeah, when we got here, 8-year-olds.
4 years, 7 years, very important in terms of development.
Sure.
Chelsea could development serious. And now to play in front of this capacity, the question is psychologically are we prepared now?
Sure.
But I can tell you our coach is going to play with 5 defenders, 3 central midfielders. We're not going to play strengthless. We saw Hugo Prost, my friend, try to attack. He's not going to do that. I see him playing with one striker, that's all. Maybe evident Mahopa.
I think we will be lucky if we come back with a draw. We have to be honest with ourselves. Mhlambe are stronger than in Mexico, and we will be lucky if we get a draw.
In fact, we thank the Department of Sport, we thank South Africans, but let's be realistic.
Sure.
Mexicans, they play in front of their crowd,
yeah,
which is advantage for them. Now, I don't think giving a draw is going to be tough.
No, I'm saying yeah. We will be lucky if we get it.
Support
sure,
that's why
we're here to support the country.
Here to support the country.
Yeah.
Because we can't be honest, it's not support the reality.
Yeah, it's going to be tough to win. That's why I'm not thinking about the win, but at least we will be very lucky.
I think became number 3. Starting with them, in front of their crowd. Now there's pressure kibo.
Sure.
And they will come in numbers, honest to us.
Yeah, key players for us. Mbogazi, udlala la in North America, is going to be a key player for us. Who are some of the kids that you're looking for by Phakamisa flag?
Yeah, it's I can't rely on Mbogazi. Mbogazi is going to help us at the back.
He's going to be a key player, yeah.
Yes, at the back, key player.
Sure.
But helping us to get goals. Eshiman, in the preparation, the way it's preparing a corner, I think it was negative. Yabo Panama, what?
Nicaragua. That is true in Jamaica foot.
We throw and we close doors. And that's negative.
Sure.
How many games? 3 games.
But we still have players up front. If they see the video,
Yeah.
who can we hope for? Which Phakamisa flag?
This boy, you really made the coach believe leave the
Do
boy.
you think you will start him? Because at the highest level, Begunzima,
Yeah.
we've seen in previous matches.
True, he's never show good level international.
Sure.
But play. Have belief in him. Have faith. You understand in him. Also, Ureinas Magamkal in feet. And hey, it's a pity to coach you. In the Banaku build up, Kamanyama game is going to be difficult. This is a very difficult. I'm a player, yes, really. Kanani never showed good level there. Yeah, international. But record that hope. Look, you might get 1 goal, but truly speaking, for me, I don't see us getting something out of this guy.
Just one more, Sene Korea and the Czech Republic. If Sasha in Mexico, we still have to hope we can win at least 1 game. At least 1 game. I'm sure Balula, but Amachita, we are here for a reason.
Yeah.
Now, Baba here for a reason. At least Zamani 1 win.
Kulego maninte difficult. Ibonile group. When you check stats ala team moitu. Korea they play 2 games they won 2 in a row. A Czech Republic they play 2 they won 2.
In the friendly matches.
I'm talking about the friendly games.
Sure.
Both of them.
Mexico they had a very good win.
I think 5 games or 4 games.
But whatever we say,
Yeah.
now that we are here, please give us 1 win.
Mina ngicela nami sengikhulumela from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah.
Ngicela bachita can they make us proud?
Sure.
At least by bombing a draw in Mexico, at least.
Sure.
And win one of the game between the Czech Republic and South Korea, please.
Sure.
You understand?
Just to go back, Amatemba were to up front, you would love Ikram Renas, Norile, and Onas. Let's just continue. We'll return to the guys. Amatemba were to up front. Just to mention some of the players. Obatembile up front.
Rilebekele Mfokeng, Renas. They never play together.
Police international police.
Yeah, but
yes.
Okay, let me yes, Apollo is a very important experienced player as well.
Sure.
If you're going to Pirates rise, go big team. Yes, 3 players, true. And another player, I believe in Dave Zamkoen.
Yeah, no, for sure. He's the first name on the list.
Yeah,
but who is the starting 11? Tebo Khumukwen is the first name.
I believe in those 4 players. And others, I think, Singa concede.
Yeah.
We don't have to concede, in fact. Anything can happen.
Right.
I want to say we request
we are hoping.
You don't have to concede, in fact.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. We have to keep it very short because people want to take photos and everything. We love you, South Africa. Thank you so much for making sure it is must go to Mexico. Thank you so much for that. Make sure you subscribe and you like our videos as well. Thank you.
This is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.